Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Discord server to a community server. Let's begin. First, open Discord and head over to your Discord server, okay? Click on it, then click on the name over here to show more options. Go to server settings, scroll down until you see the option enable community. Left click on it, click on get started, just click on verify or click on the verified email required, scan media content from all members, then click next, then choose the appropriate settings or options for you. Then once you're done, click on next. Then on the final step, just make sure to read everything, understand everything, and then click on I agree and I understand. Then you can simply click on finish setup. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your Discord server to a community server. I hope you found this video very helpful.